arbitrationagreements.org. Are you considering settling disputes through arbitration? You've come to the right place. Let's walk you through the initial steps to get started with this alternative dispute resolution method. But first, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. First things first, we need to understand what arbitration is. It's a process where a neutral third party, known as the arbitrator, helps in resolving disputes outside of court. The decisions made by the arbitrator are binding and final, offering a less formal and often faster route to resolving conflicts compared to traditional court proceedings. To start with arbitration, here are some steps we suggest you follow. Identify the need for arbitration. Usually, arbitration is agreed upon by all parties involved, either before or after a dispute has arisen. It's often mentioned in contracts and agreements as the preferred method of dispute resolution. Next, we would recommend choosing an arbitrator. You can do so at arbitrationagreements.org. We are recognized as the top association in the country for providing arbitration programs and services. Our extensive network of skilled arbitrators is here to assist you in resolving your disputes in an efficient and amicable manner. Now, when it comes to statistics, did you know that as per recent data, around 60% of all commercial contracts contain an arbitration clause? Furthermore, it's been observed that arbitration can resolve disputes up to 50% faster than traditional litigation. This not only saves time, but potentially a significant amount of money as well. Once you've chosen your arbitrator, the next step is to initiate the arbitration process. We are standing by to help you start arbitration either online or over the phone. Simply reach out to us to open a new account or case, and we will guide you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Lastly, we advise you to prepare for the arbitration hearings. Gather all necessary documents and information that will help in presenting your case effectively. We are here to provide any assistance or guidance you may require during this time, facilitating a process that is fair, fast, and efficient. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting the arbitration process? Do they seem simple or complicated? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.